Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the English Mastery Podcast. I'm Mia, and today I want to share something that could completely change your English and maybe even change your life. You might believe fluency takes 5 years or even 10, but I want you to hear this clearly. With the right daily routine, you can see real progress in just 6 months. 6 months of small, consistent steps. 6 months of daily practice. 6 months of living inside English. And your English will feel natural, automatic, and confident. Immersion. Living inside English. Let's begin with the first secret. Immersion. Immersion means making English a part of your life every single day. When you wake up in the morning, don't just scroll your phone in your own language. Instead, play a short podcast in English. It could even be this one. Let English be the first sound you hear. Try it with me. Good morning. The sun is rising. I feel ready for today. Repeat after me. Good morning. The sun is rising. I feel ready for today. See? That's immersion. Short, simple, daily. At night, before bed, don't close your day in your native language. Read just one page of something in English. A short article, a story, even subtitles from a show. The key is to begin and end your day with English. Listening. Food for the brain. Listening is like food. Your brain needs it every day. So instead of music in your own language, try English music while you cook. Instead of silence while walking, try an English audiobook. Instead of background TV, play an English video. At first, you might not understand much. That's okay. Your ears are training. Your brain is adjusting. Over time, sounds become words, words become sentences, and sentences become meaning. Let's shadow together. Repeat after me. I am cooking dinner. Repeat. I am cooking dinner. I am walking to the bus stop. Repeat. I am walking to the bus stop. This is how listening and speaking work together. They train your ears and your tongue. Speaking. Don't wait for perfect. Many learners wait for the perfect moment to speak. They say, I will speak when I meet a native speaker, or I will speak when I travel. But the truth is, the perfect moment is now. Speak to yourself. Describe what you are doing. Try this shadowing practice with me. I am making coffee. Repeat. I am washing my hands. Repeat. I am opening the window. Repeat. Simple phrases, but very powerful. They make speaking a daily habit. And remember shadowing. Repeat exactly what you hear. Copy the rhythm. Copy the sound. Don't be shy. At first it feels funny, but then it feels natural. Thinking in English. Freedom for the brain. The next step is thinking in English. If you always translate, you stay slow. You stop, think in your language, and then try to find the English word. That feels heavy. But when you think directly in English, you feel free. You feel fast. Here's a 5-minute exercise you can do daily. Ask yourself questions in English, then answer in English. Example: what do I want to eat? I want rice. Where am I going? I am going to the store. What do I need today? I need water. Short answers are fine. The goal is training your brain. After weeks of this, you'll notice your thoughts are happening in English, without translation.
Mindset, the real secret. Now, let's talk about the biggest secret, your mindset. Many people quit because of negative thoughts. They say, I'm too old, I'm too slow, English is too hard. But the truth is, these thoughts are the real enemy. Replace them with power sentences.
Repeat after me. I am learning. Repeat. I am improving. Repeat. Every day I get better. Repeat. These are not just words. They are energy. They are fuel. They keep you moving forward. Daily routine plan. So, how do we put this all together? Let me give you a simple routine you can follow every day for 6 months. Morning. Listen to English as soon as you wake up. Shadow to 3 simple sentences. During the day. Think in English for 5 minutes. Speak to yourself while walking, cooking, or working. Evening. Listen again, maybe a podcast or short video. Read 1 page in English before bed. That's it. Small steps every day, but small steps become a big journey.
So here's your challenge. Live inside English for the next 6 months. Listen daily, speak daily, think daily. If you do, you will surprise yourself. You will feel natural. You will feel free. You will feel fluent. And remember, English is not something you study once a week. It's something you live every day. This was Mia with the English Mastery Podcast. Thank you for listening, thank you for practicing, and thank you for believing in yourself. Remember, progress in English is not about one big step. It's about hundreds of small steps that you take every single day. Even if today you only learned one new phrase or practiced for 5 minutes, that is a victory. Every little effort adds up. 6 months from now, you will look back and realize that what once felt difficult is now easy. What once felt impossible is now natural. So keep going, my friends. Listen, repeat, shadow, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Learning English is not only about fluency, it's about confidence, freedom, and opening doors to a new world. You are already on the path, and I'm proud of you for showing up today. Stay consistent, stay positive, and trust yourself. You are closer to fluency than you think. I'll be here with you every step of the way. See you in the next episode.